Hi, so here we have the GLEDHILL PULSACOIL 150 right hand. It's ready to be on position. It is on position now. So now we are waiting for the electrician to come and do all the cables. Then we can connect the cylinder to the pipes. We will make new pipes. And yes, we will isolate and then we will show you how it gets on. Yeah, so this is the first step. It's on position now. So we will just connect the pipes down here and then we wait for electrician to come do the cables. So yeah, I will show you how it gets done. We're just replacing the filling loop. I install a new one. Okay, so now we're getting the pipes done to connect it to the boiler. Filling loop is in place. Professional. Today we're just installing this GLEDHILL PulsaCoil 150 liters, and now we just start to commission. All the electric is off. We just start the filling loop. We need to fill up the tank, make sure it's going to reach the level, and if it's not any leaks, we'll just start. So the boiler is done, it's up and running, the pipes are isolated, everything is done, everything on point, all electrical works, tank is full. So yeah, we are ready to have hot water.